Hi, today's Friday, August 6th, and we're looking at a chart of the Euro US dollar. So we're starting off with the monthly chart. This was the first week of the month, and as you can see, it was just a continuation of what we saw last month, more or less. And bulls came in, and they shot this thing straight up for, I'd say, about 240-ish pips for the week. And as you can see, there's not really any signs of letting down. So on the monthly, looking at some significant areas, we have this swing point back here coming through in this area, and you can see there was a bounce here, and then there was, there was some sort of a bounce here, and then we have the close of this candle, and then the open of this one in that area. And then if we take Fibonacci retracements going from these most recent highs to these most recent lows, you can see that also lines up within this area. So from the looks of the price action on lower time frames on a daily basis, and just the rate that we're moving up, it seems that we're going to make it up to this area pretty soon, and I guess that's what I'll be shooting for at this point, and looking for the bull surrounding gas somewhere here, and the downtrend to resume at that point, because the fundamentals of this thing have not shifted too much. So it takes down to a weekly. You can see this week was no different from the last few weeks over here. Over here we had a failure to close above the high of this candle, which indicated that there might have been some exhaustion, but again we did have a higher low and a higher high on the candle, and again we just had continuation the next week, and again, as you can see, there's absolutely no selling this week, just buying straight out. Moving to the daily, you can see the same thing, just higher swing lows, higher swing highs. There's no change in sentiment here, just up for the most part. So let's go intraday, and today actually there was U.S. numbers, unemployment numbers, which were in fact terrible, and that definitely helped move this thing up. As you can see, overnight we actually had some price action that was kind of weak, and suggested that we would have some more downside pressure, but when those numbers came out, we had a quite a big run, about 150 pips or so to the upside, and we broke through our highs at that point. All the shorts got squeezed, and that definitely fueled the fire to the upside. So looking at it for next week, there's not too many more surprises here. There's not too much more guessing to do. The euro is clearly headed to the upside here. We can actually, at this point, we can go ahead and we can readjust this channel to this swing point right here. And then, as you can see, that served as some resistance there before, pulling back slightly. It looks like the bulls are coming right back in near the close. So that pretty much tells the story for the euro. And good luck trading next week. Be careful, and at the same time, be a bull. All right, have a good weekend.